Are you looking to self-publish a book? The best way to do that is with a plan. Hello everyone, I'm Hank Quentz. My first two fiction books were published by a small company. I didn't like that experience, so I looked into self-publishing. I self-published my first book over 12 years ago, and I've put out quite a few books since then, both fiction and non-fiction. I've learned a lot about the publishing industry, and my objective in writing this book is to keep authors from making mistakes or from falling into the many pitfalls that await the unwary author. In this course, there are many benefits for the author who wants to self-publish a book. A few of these benefits are listed in the slide. This graphic lists and describes the 10 steps in the overall plan. This book has been written as a reference work for authors who have or may have an interest in self-publishing. Besides providing a detailed project plan, it can also be used as a reference work for comparing publishing options. Why wait? Grab a copy and learn how to self-publish your book.